Hi, this is Mike. I just thought I'd do another quick little update for the 2025 season out here with the Jungle Bush. I just wanted to let everybody know we now have 4 boxes of the Mearns eggs left that we'll be selling this year, and 3 boxes of the mountain quail eggs, and only 1 more box left for the Jungle Bush. We're just not going to sell any more eggs than that this year. But folks have been kind of getting their orders in and whatnot, but you can always check in the description, and I'll always keep it listed on what's still available. But that's it. I just thought I'd do a quick little update. Hopefully you can hear the sound of the Jungle Bush. They got a cool sound. I really like these guys. Well, that's it. I hope everybody has a good season. Thanks for watching.